So, Ghazal, your conversational AI write-up ready?
Yes, all done. I'll send it tonight.
Oh, that's great, Ghazi. That's great, Ghazi. But by the way, what this conversational AI, artificial intelligence, you say?
Dad, it's such a technical, so.
Could you please explain in easy language so that I can get it? Don't worry about being too correct. Just like broadly.
Okay, so this world needs our computers
Hmm.
to communicate in human language.
Okay.
The way we all do, the
Okay.
way we are doing right now.
Oh, you meant to say like we are currently conversing or talking.
Yes.
So computers will do the same way.
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
So the conversational AI allows artificial intelligence technologies such as chatbots to interact with people in a very human-like way.
What are these chatbots?
The way mom chats on Amazon.
Okay.
You see, the moment she puts a query, within seconds she gets an answer.
Yes, yes.
So no real human being is sitting there to answer these questions. It is actually Amazon's system that is highly trained.
Oh.
And well educated that answers.
Okay.
So it deep dives into pre-written answers and publishes an response.
Okay, it brings those answers.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I get it. What you meant by conversational AI. But what is conversational AI? It's all text, right? I mean, I don't see Amazon answers in audio form.
No, Dad. Conversational does not mean speaking or oral. Conversational can have many meanings.
Okay.
It can be textual, visual, oral, symbolic.
Okay, verbal, non-verbal.
Exactly.
I mean, even like an image form also can be conversational.
Yeah.
I mean, if I say the example of, for example, I just struck, say in Aarogya Setu app, in the current context, I asked, can I go to Lonavala for a one-day picnic? It may funnily can answer this way, in a GIF form, no. Something like that.
Exactly.
This is also, okay,
Yeah.
conversation. Okay, got it.
Yeah. So what I told you is very basics of chatbox.
Okay.
So let me explain how does conversational AI work. So first, the AI must understand what the customer is trying to say or what the intent of the customer's question is.
Yes.
Say, for example, if you ask someone about do's and don'ts to tackle COVID-19, what the other person will do, he'll tell you about it. But then he can additionally tell you about a new information, which is vaccination drive.
Yes.
Now, this vaccination drive information is what you didn't ask.
Yeah.
But the man, using his own intelligence, told you about it because he knew the intent of your question.
Intent of the question. Yeah. He understood intent.
And this is same what will happen with artificial intelligence. AI.
Okay, that's why this artificial word is prefixed before intelligence.
Exactly.
Good, got it. Okay. Now next.
Okay, so next comes NLU.
NLU. What is this?
That is natural language understanding.
Okay.
It works to decipher meaning in the user's words regardless of how it's stated.
Oh.
So with NLU, the AI will be able to understand the user's question even with say grammatical mistakes or shortcuts.
Oh, I didn't get it. I mean, can you give an example?
Let me think. Yeah. For example, you ask in Google PM's action plans question mark. Okay. Now this is a grammatical incorrect sentence because the correct sentence would be what are PM's action plans question mark.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
And what's PM here? PM can be a short form for thousands of words.
Yeah.
But we know that in the current context, PM means Prime Minister of India.
Yeah.
Right. And the action plans means action plans to tackle COVID-19.
Yes. Okay.
This is what the NLU does.
Okay, simple asking like what are PM's action plans and he understood. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, the AI must determine the right response based on the understanding of the user's intent. Right? This he will do by using machine learning.
Machine learning.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So, AI answers user questions over time, and as human agents as well, they give him knowledge.
Okay.
AI knowledge.
Okay.
So, AI learns variations of the same. Now, the AI must determine the right response based on the understanding of the user's intent. Now, it will do so by using machine learning.
Oh, machine learning, the new term.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, as the AI answers users' questions over time,
Yeah.
and as human agents as well helps to guide its knowledge, AI has learned variations of the same intent.
Okay. Okay.
You know, it's right. So, by using NLU, natural generation, the AI generates a response in a format that is easily understood by the user.
Oh, okay. Wait. Like you said machine learning. Before you said artificial intelligence. I've also heard of deep learning.
Yeah.
Could you please differentiate between these three terms?
So, like a simple differentiation can be, take this large circle.
Okay.
This can be called as AI, artificial intelligence.
This is AI, artificial
Yeah.
figure. Okay.
Inside the circle, take a medium circle.
Okay, medium within that.
Yeah.
Okay.
This can be called as ML, machine learning.
Machine learning, right.
And inside this medium circle, there is a small circle.
Okay.
Which is called deep learning. DL.
Okay. So
Yeah.
machine learning is a part of AI and DL is part of machine learning.
Yeah.
Okay. Could you please, elaborate with example?
Okay, so in artificial intelligence, there can be, for example, you search in Amazon, men's apparels. You right? It gives you one of the recommendation of a kurta.
Okay.
Now you see, you didn't write kurta,
Right.
but you wrote men's apparels. Amazon saw your intent, and then he gave a response of a kurta.
Yes.
This is what is artificial intelligence.
Okay. What is machine learning?
Machine learning. Email spam filtering. Yeah.
Okay.
So, whenever you open your Rediff mail, you see there's a column which is spam emails.
Yes. Yeah.
You must be wondering that how come my Rediff mail differentiates between a spam email and a non-spam email.
Yes. There must be some logic. Yeah.
Yeah. So, what machine learning does is, it has some keywords for spam emails.
Okay.
So whenever he checks your emails, there are some keywords which he gets from some particular email, and then he transfers them to spam email.
Okay.
And the rest be there only.
Okay.
Right.
And the last
Deep
one?
learning.
Deep learning.
Yeah. See, whenever we travel,
Yeah.
we use Google Maps,
Yes.
right?
Right.
So you have seen sometimes whenever we are traveling to a particular route, Google Maps tells us to change our route in the midway.
Midway. On the way only. Yes.
Why does it do so? Because maybe there must be some problem in the route which we would have been taken. Maybe like congestion issues or road construction. So to avoid that, Google Maps directs us to another route.
This is deep learning.
This is deep learning.
Okay. Yeah, some complicated example. That's a little deep. Can you come up with a very simple example?
Like a real life
Real
example.
life, yeah, very real life example.
Whew. Let's take a vegetable vendor, okay?
Yes.
A sabzi wala. So he keeps his veggie cart near Chinchwad railway station.
Okay.
Okay? He comes there with his wife and his 10-year-old son.
Okay, 3. Okay.
Yeah. So his 10-year-old son observes that his father, before 12 p.m., never negotiates the price of the gobi, the cauliflower.
Okay.
Okay, he never negotiates.
Okay.
Even if the customer goes away.
Okay.
His 10-year-old son observes this. Now, after 12 p.m., what the son observes is that after 12 p.m., whenever a customer tries to negotiate the price, his father agrees to it.
Okay. Before 12 he doesn't, after 12 he does. Okay.
Yeah. So now, what he learned from this is, from his mom and dad's conversation with the customers, that before 12 p.m., the rush of customers is high than after 12 p.m.
Okay.
So even if before 12 p.m. a customer goes away, many more can come. But after 12 p.m. this is not the case, right? So what he learned is called machine learning.
Okay, he'll lose business if those customers go away.
Exactly.
Okay, this is what he learned from his mom, dad, customer interaction, and everything. Okay, so this is machine learning.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you just extend this to deep learning? The same example. Can you extend it?
Deep learning with the same example.
Same example.
Yes. So in deep learning, say the son is 15 or 16 years old now.
Okay.
So one day he comes and suggests his father that, Dad, after 12 p.m. you should keep your veggie cart in Vakad area.
Okay, different area. Okay.
Yeah. Because he has observed that in Vakad area, the rush of customers after 12 p.m. is higher than that
Okay.
of the Chinchwad
Since
rush.
previous, okay, so he
Yeah.
suggested let's move the car
Exactly.
to this area. Okay,
What
because
will
customers.
happen? He will not lose his business after 12 p.m.
Okay,
He will not have to negotiate.
Yeah.
You
okay,
get it?
Okay.
Now, the suggestion the boy gave is from his own wisdom,
Oh,
from
okay.
his own intelligence.
Okay.
This is not something he has learned.
From his father, mother.
Exactly.
Yeah, unlike the case with machine learning, which she acquired from mother,
Yes.
father, customer interaction.
Yes.
But this he came up with his own.
Yeah.
From inside,
Yes.
outside, and inside.
Yeah.
Okay, superb, Ghazal, superb.
Yeah.
I got it. Okay.
Clear?
Yeah, thank you. But one thing.
Mm-hmm.
Why at all? I mean, conversational AI necessary. I mean, things are going all fine before this too.
Before this, you see, customer care services, people had to be seated there to answer the questions and calls, everything. Now with the chat, with the AI robots, it can happen in a
Yeah, without the help of
humans.
lot
So
of
there's a
cost,
lot of waste of manpower.
Manpower,
Scale efficiency.
scale and efficiency and lots of money.
Yeah.
So, okay. I got it. Okay. Okay. But what's that X factor with the conversational AI?
Let me try.
Yeah.
See, a conversational AI uses NLU, as I told you, natural language generation, techniques that can respond to a customer's inquiry. Okay? And this responding is called as reactive engagement.
Okay.
Now, conversational AI can also anticipate something the customer hasn't even asked. And this can be called as proactive engagement.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you want an example?
I mean, no. I just wanted to answer without asking a question. How is it possible?
Let me give you an example.
Yeah.
Which app do you use for fitness?
Oh, my fitness and health app, right? Yeah, it's Healthify Me.
Healthify Me. You use a free version, right?
Yeah, I use free version.
Yeah. You see, there's a Ria named girl.
My AI coach. My AI coach.
Exactly.
Yeah,
there's a human, real human being.
There's no Ria such.
So, for example, you ask Ria, your AI robot, that what is the tenure of the premium plan? Okay. The AI responds that the tenure of the premium plan is 1 year from the day you purchase it.
Yes. Okay. Got it.
And then you type OK. Your queries is all done. Now this responding. When you ask the question, the chat bot replied. It reacted.
Okay, this is reactive engagement. Okay.
Reactive engagement.
Yes. Well, proactive?
Yeah, proactive. So your queries is all from OK, right? Now, what the AI will do is your Ria AI coach. She will see your intent that you are interested in the premium plan because you asked the tenure. So why not to give you the price of the premium plan, right? So what she will do is she will reply to you saying, for example, that premium plan is running a 60% off. So now the price is rupees 799, right? This is something you didn't ask.
Yes.
But then this helped you.
Yes.
And this is called proactive engagement.
Proactive engagement. Achha.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wonderful. So a lot of heavy stuff, girl. Thank you very much. I mean,
No
now
issues.
let's take a break for this thing.
Yeah.
Now my fundamentals are clear. Thank you very much. Okay.
Yeah.
So great. Best of luck for your
Thank you
project.
so much.
Okay. Chalo. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.